Hi guys, so today I'm going to take you through how to create a SQL Server database. So a SQL Server database is a place where you normally store your data from your application. So you store it and you're able to retrieve it. And yeah, that's how an application will be working, and database driven application will work. So today I'm simply going to take you through what is SQL Server database, how to create a database, as well as database tables, on how to create the web application, and how to actually create, insert data and retrieve data using entity framework from your database to your application. So yeah, let's get started. Um, I'm going to come to my SQL Server Management Studio. This is the tool that you use to actually create your databases. You can download this. I'll include the link in the description to download this tool. And to start a new project, you just right click and say new database. And then I'll call this tutorial DB. And yeah, now I need to create a table where I'll be able to store user information. So I'll call this new table user information. So I'll start with the primary key, which is user information ID. This is a type int, and we'll have the first name. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, type then this needs to be a virtual max because it's a string. So virtual max will be a data type that stores um, any string. So the surname as well will be a virtual max, and this can allow null values. And then I'll set this as a primary key, and I will set this to auto increment on its own. So this, now we have a table where we can record the first name and the surname of people from our application later on. So Control S to save TBL user information. Okay. So if I refresh my table here, I'll be able to see this new table that it created, and then its columns as well. As you can see, that's the primary key. So yes guys, this is how you create a table in SQL Server Management Studio, and I'll take you to the next tutorial on how to now use this data in your web application. Bye.